back to another video. I want to show you a different website today that you could use if you're looking for Amazon products or supplies, right? So you may have found a supplier, you may have found a particular product on Amazon that you want to jump on. You've done some research, you found that it is profitable, and now you're like, hey, how do I go about finding a supplier? Well, there's a few different ways. The biggest by far, let me just show you, right? Let me show my screen, right? The biggest by far is going to be Alibaba, but there's another website which isn't really well known, right? It's called 1688.com. Okay, now it's written in Mandarin. Okay, so it's going to be hard, but what 1688 is, it's 1688.com. It is kind of like Alibaba for China suppliers, right? It's kind of like Alibaba for China, and so a lot of suppliers on AliExpress buy from 1688. It is very cheap. In fact, I'm interviewing a gentleman tomorrow. He generated close to $2 million on Amazon in Germany, and he is part of our team, and he's actually speaking. He's going to speak at our events, which is fantastic. And that's the sort of people we actually have in our courses. We've got people that have done incredible volume on Amazon and have incredible business success, and that's why we get them to speak at our events. And I'm interviewing tomorrow, and he used this website as well. So he had a particular product that was selling like crazy on the Amazon German market, and he sourced it from 1688. All right, so that's the website again. I'll just show that, 1688. Okay, now how do you use it? Well, first of all, you can translate the page into English. You can do that. You can also hire someone to translate it. You can find people online for $5 an hour to go in there who speak Mandarin, who can actually find your product for you, all right? If you are looking for products right now, okay, it isn't just Alibaba, okay? You've got 1688, AliExpress, hktdc.com, so Hong Kong Trade and Development Council.com. You have globalsources.com. There are literally so many websites out there that will enable you to find suppliers, right? But that isn't the problem. That isn't the challenge people have. Finding suppliers is actually the easy part, right? The hard part for a lot of people who don't know what they're doing, who try and do it by themselves, is kind of like comes down to the product research, how to make sure the product you jump on is in fact going to be a profitable product, all right? So that's why you do your research first, then look for a supplier. So 1688.com, guys, enjoy it. Check out Alibaba first, check out 1688. You can hire someone to go on here who speaks Mandarin. You can translate it using Google Translate. It's free to do. And any questions, hit me up. Have an awesome day. I wish you the best on your Amazon journey. By the way, any questions, give us a call in the office, or even every Monday we do these trainings online for our students. I would love to see you online as well. We can actually help you with that as well. Have a fantastic day. See you later.